Can you see me?
No.
Wait, there.
Yes.
Hola, ¿cómo estás, mi amiga? I really screwed this up. This was supposed to be just a wonderful thing. We invite you to virtual dinner. We had vino. I went agua, no agua, vino. We had bodega y arroz. I said all kinds of things in Spanish, and it didn't come out quite right. And it was supposed to be this big, huge surprise for you. I was going to post this video online for you to see. And with the new iOS update, it did not come out quite right. And I am so very sorry. And it just really pisses me off. But I drink a toast to you, my friend. And, but damn it. Tessa Roja. What does it sound?
De solo.
What?
De solo.
Tasa Roja de Solo. Red Solo Cup. Muy importante in hillbilly culture. I'll send you a song about it. But in the meantime, this video was a bit shorter than the one I had previously had shot before dinner. I will try this again sometime. In the meantime, besos y besos. Adios.